Ever dreamt of embarking on an adventure where every decision is yours, every moment a step towards self-discovery? Welcome to the world of solo travel, a journey that not only unveils the beauty of the world, but also the depths of your own soul. Hi, this is your host, and over the past 2 decades, I've traversed continents alone, immersing myself in diverse cultures, savoring unique cuisines, and forging connections that have transformed my life. Today, I'm excited to share with you the allure of solo travel, practical tips to embark on your own journey, and the profound personal growth it offers. I vividly recall my first solo trip to Kyoto, Japan. Navigating the city's intricate alleyways, visiting serene temples, and savoring local delicacies taught me the beauty of independence. I learned to trust my instincts, adapt to new situations, and embrace the unfamiliar. This journey ignited my passion for solo travel. Embarking on a solo journey can be daunting, but with thoughtful preparation, it becomes a rewarding adventure. Here are some practical tips to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Familiarize yourself with your destination's culture, customs, and local laws. Understanding social norms can help you blend in and show respect to the local community. For instance, in Japan, it's customary to remove your shoes before entering someone's home. Being aware of such practices enhances your travel experience. Keep in touch with family or friends, share your itinerary and check in regularly. This not only ensures your safety but also provides peace of mind to your loved ones. Utilizing apps like WhatsApp or Viber can facilitate easy communication without incurring hefty charges. Opt for reputable accommodations in safe neighborhoods. Reading reviews and seeking recommendations can help you find places that cater well to solo travelers. Hostels and guest houses often provide communal areas where you can meet fellow travelers, fostering a sense of community. Traveling solo means you'll be responsible for all your belongings. Packing light makes mobility easier and reduces the risk of losing items. A good rule of thumb is to lay out everything you think you need and then remove half. Remember, you can always purchase essentials at your destination. While it's essential to have a plan, allow room for spontaneity. Some of the most memorable experiences come from unplanned adventures. Whether it's joining a local cooking class or attending a traditional dance performance, embracing the unexpected adds richness to your journey. Solo travel isn't without its challenges. Loneliness can occasionally creep in, especially during long trips. To combat this, consider staying in hostels or joining group tours for a day or two. This provides opportunities to meet fellow travelers and share experiences. Engaging in local activities or volunteering can also lead to meaningful connections. Safety is another concern. Always stay vigilant, avoid risky areas after dark, and trust your intuition. If something doesn't feel right, remove yourself from the situation. Carrying a whistle or personal alarm can provide an added sense of security. The benefits of traveling alone far outweigh the challenges. It boosts confidence, enhances problem-solving skills, and offers a sense of accomplishment. Moreover, it provides a unique opportunity to connect deeply with oneself, fostering introspection and personal growth. Embarking on solo journeys has enriched my life in countless ways. The freedom to explore at my own pace, the thrill of new experiences, and the lessons learned have been invaluable. I encourage anyone contemplating solo travel to take the plunge. Embrace the adventure, trust yourself, and discover the world on your terms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Infinitely Travel for more travel tips and adventures. Safe travels!